The Machenike K500A-B84 stands as a mechanical keyboard specifically engineered with gamers in mind. This model offers a streamlined form factor and a set of features that cater to both desktop and mobile gaming setups, positioning itself as a focused input device for its target audience. At its core, this is a mechanical keyboard, providing the distinct tactile feedback often preferred for both gaming and typing. A notable feature is its hot-swappable design, which offers users the flexibility to interchange switches without soldering, facilitating personalized feel or straightforward maintenance. The wired connection ensures consistent, low-latency performance, a critical aspect for competitive gaming. Furthermore, the inclusion of 6-color backlighting provides illumination for low-light environments and adds a degree of visual customization to the setup. The compact 75% Tkl layout, featuring 84 keys, is particularly practical for users with limited desk space or for those who frequently transport their setup, aligning well with laptop usage. Its design explicitly targets PC and laptop gamers, suggesting optimization for gaming scenarios where responsiveness and a robust build are valued. Beyond gaming, the mechanical nature of the keyboard inherently supports general typing tasks, offering a consistent experience. From a design perspective, the compact 75% Tkl footprint with its 84-key layout prioritizes desk real estate without sacrificing essential functionality for most users. Its wired connectivity offers a direct and dependable link, eliminating concerns about wireless interference or battery life during critical moments. The inherent durability expected of a mechanical keyboard, coupled with the hot-swappable